What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be showing you how to install the TEATV in your smart Android or Firestick. For that the process is very simple, and make sure that you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So all you have to do is to open up your browser. You can do this in your LCD or Android TV as well, but if you have like a USB drive, you can plug it in your PC and install the APK file directly to the USB device, and then install it install the APK file in your smart Android TV using your USB. So what you have to do is to search TEATV APK on the Google search bar, and here you guys can see that there is the latest APK version on the TEATV application. So what you have to do is to click on this button and the APK file will be downloaded. So once it's been downloaded, what you have to do is to go to the Firestick home and then go to the setting. In the setting, click My Fire TV Developer option and enable apps from the unknown sources. Install the downloader app from the Amazon store. Open the downloader and enter the URL to download the TEATV application. Or you have simply downloaded the APK file as I have told you in the USB device. What you have to do is to go to the setting and install it from there. So that's how you can do it. I hope you find this video helpful.